What's up? I'm John Vaughn. I'm the founder and CEO of Tier 5, the software development company that actually built Winner Winner Chicken Dinner. In this training series, I'm going to go in and show you everything about Winner Winner Chicken Dinner, how to use it, how to get it set up, and how to actually leverage it to help you get more engagement, more leads, and more sales from your Facebook posts. So the very first thing that we're going to do is we are going to install the extension. So all we're going to do is we're just going to type into Google Winner Winner Chicken Dinner extension. And you can see the very first thing that pops up in Google right here is the actual extension. So we're just going to click on that. And once we click on that, it's going to take us to literally the official Google Chrome store. And we're just going to click on this button right here that says Add to Chrome. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to pop up this thing right here. So you just want to actually click Add Extension. That's it. Once you click Add Extension, then what I like to do once you hit Add Extension is I like to click on this little button that you see me about to click on right here. And then I like to scroll down and find Winner Winner Chicken Dinner and just click on this little pin. And then it will actually be pinned up here so that you can actually use the software. So now you've actually installed the software, and the next training video will go through and show you how to actually use it.